SAIC Volkswagen's new car was launched, offering two configuration models with an official price of 148,388 to 155,888 yuan. As a new version model, the new car continues the appearance and interior design of the regular version on sale, and adds the GTX appearance and interior kit on this basis. In addition, the new car continues to be equipped with a single motor at the rear, and the CLTC pure electric range is 451 kilometers. The 2026 Volkswagen ID.3 offers two configuration models: Extreme Edition GTX Kit Model and Extreme Edition GTX Kit Model. In terms of appearance design, it continues the design style of the regular version on sale. The front face adopts a semi-closed design and matrix adaptive full LED headlights. The body adopts a compact hatchback design, conventional mechanical door handles and electrically adjustable exterior mirrors. The rear of the vehicle adopts left and right independent arrangement taillights, a spoiler above the rear window plus high-mounted brake lights and other design schemes. It is also equipped with a high-gloss black diamond mesh front frame component plus high-gloss black side skirts plus high-gloss black diamond mesh rear frame component and other designs. The body dimensions of the model are 4,266 by 1,778 by 1,568 mm. The wheelbase is 2,765 mm, and it is positioned as a fully electric compact car. As for the rims, it comes with 20-inch multi-spoke two-tone aluminum alloy rims as standard, and the tire specifications are as follows: 215/45 R20. In terms of paint color, it offers 5 paint colors: Ion Gray, Starry White, Warm Cloud White, Glacier Green, GT Red, and all colors are equipped with a black roof. In terms of interior design, it continues the design style of the ordinary version on sale. The center console area is equipped with a 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel, a 5.3-inch LCD instrument panel and a 12.9-inch floating central control screen. At the same time, the new car continues to use the electronic hand-shift knob mechanism, and there are also 3 different interior color options: Twilight Symphony, White Melody and Deep Red. In addition, unlike the ordinary version on sale, it has also upgraded the materials used in the cabin. It has added suede material to the center console, door inner panels, front center armrest and other parts, and is also decorated with red stitching. In terms of configuration, it comes with a panoramic roof window plus electric sun visor, heated steering wheel, front keyless entry, 7-channel speakers, monochrome ambient lights, rain sensing wipers, dual-zone automatic air conditioning and other configurations as standard. HUD head-up display system, 15W mobile phone wireless charging in the front row, 30-color ambient light and other configurations are also available. In terms of onboard computer, it continues to be equipped with an intelligent vehicle network system that supports satellite navigation system, road rescue service, CarPlay/CarLife/Huawei HiCar mobile phone connection mapping, in-car 4G network plus Wi-Fi hotspot, driver and co-driver intelligent voice recognition control system, online audio and video, and other third-party in-car apps, application stores, and other functions. In terms of driving aids, it is equipped with IQ, Drive-Assisted Driving System, which supports L2 assisted driving functions such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, active braking, lane departure assist system, road traffic sign recognition, 360 degrees panoramic view and full-speed adaptive cruise control. The seats have a 5-person layout, and the seats are covered with leather/suede. In terms of seat functionality, the new car comes with electric adjustment of the front seats, front seat heating/ventilation as standard, and the rear seats also support 4/6 folding. In terms of power unit, it is equipped with a single rear-mounted motor with a maximum power of 125 kilowatts, 170 PS, a maximum torque of 310 Nm and a top speed of 160 km per hour. In terms of battery life, it is equipped with a 53.6 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack provided by CATL, and its pure electric range reaches 451 km under CLTC conditions. In terms of energy regeneration efficiency, it comes with DC fast charging and AC slow charging as standard. In DC fast charging mode, it takes 45 minutes for the battery power to increase from 0% to 80%.